Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. So, the Meizu Chinese smartphone maker launched their Meizu 17 series with 6.6-inch AMOLED display and Snapdragon 865. After a lengthy teaser campaign, Meizu finally unveiled its latest flagship with the Meizu 17 and 17 Pro. In this video, we're talking about the Meizu latest smartphone, but make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. So, specs wise, the two are nearly identical, with the Meizu 17 Pro featuring better auxiliary camera, wireless charging and faster RAM. Visually, the two are also almost indistinguishable, with the only difference being the 17 Pro come with a ceramic back. There is also the first 5G entries in the Meizu lineup. The Meizu 17 both smartphone, the 70 and 70 Pro, is a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a 90 Hz refresh rate and a first for the Meizu punch hole cutout for the 20 megapixel selfie camera. The panels come with an in-display fingerprint scanner, 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio, and an HDR10 Plus complete. There is also a dual speaker setup in the Meizu new M Engine 3.0 haptic engine. Around the backside, both phones rely on 64 megapixel Sony IMX686 as their primary shooter. The Meizu 17 Pro brings an 8 megapixel telephoto module that promises up to 8x lossless zoom, as well as 32 megapixel ultra-wide shooter capable of capturing 129-degree stills. The fourth module is Samsung new S5K3 3D TOF camera, which will be used to capture deep data and AR content. The 17 Meizu bring a second 12 megapixel wide shooter alongside an 8 megapixel ultra wide snapper and 5 megapixel camera unit. Under the hood, the hardware, both Meizu 17 and 70 Pro series flagship pack with a Snapdragon 865 with up to 12 gigabytes DDR5 RAM. On the Pro, while the non-Pro version stick to 8 gigabytes of RAM, and the DDR4 variety both come with a 128 and 256 gigabytes of storage and UFS 3.1. The batteries are rated 4500 mAh and support 30-watt fast wireless charging, while the Pro model can also do 27-watt wireless charging. Both phone boot Flyme 8.1 on the top of Android 10. The Meizu 17 come in a green, grey and white colors and is already up for a pre-order. The pricing of 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage variant is Chinese yuan 3,699 yuan, equal $525, while the 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage variant pricing is Chinese yuan 3,999 yuan, equal $565. The Meizu 17 Pro is available in mint green, black and white, three colors, with a starting price of Chinese yuan 4,299, equal $605 for the 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage model, while the 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage price is Chinese yuan 4,299 yuan, equal $665. Official sales in China start on May 11. Meizu is also bringing two limited edition version, with the collector edition 17 Pro, which will retail price is Chinese yuan 9,999, equal $1,415, and is expected to arrive on May 25, as well as an aircraft carrier version of the Meizu 17, which go for the Chinese yuan 4,299, equal $605, and launched on May 27. So guys, let me know in the comment section, are you like this new Chinese smartphone, new latest Meizu 17 smartphone, the 17 Pro and 17, which one is your favorite? Also, there is a limited editions and some amazing backside design, as you can see on your screen. This is a latest Meizu 17 Pro smartphones. So let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite, and also like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.